We're taking a look at loading up the WesSpur bleeding control kit. It contains a Israeli compression bandage, a pair of medical shears, and a rat's tourniquet. You'll want to take the rat's tourniquet out of its packaging to fit it in the custom Conterra pouch here. All of your gear is going to be secured with this wide Velcro flap, which helps keep debris and water out. To mount it on your harness, use the included Malice Clips and slot them through the molly webbing on the back. Use the long clips on either side of the vertical to mount this vertically on your harness. And if you prefer to have it on a horizontal mount, which can be easier to open with one hand, especially if it's behind you on the back of your belt or on your leg loop, use the short clips and the opposite pair of webbing loops. The pouch also has a ring which you can use to connect this to any snap or gear loop on your harness. And that's the WesSpur Bleeding Control Kit, available at WesSpur.com.